First, you activate the license. After license is activated, you'll be seeing this page. And let's create our first block. So I create a new Bricks Builder template, and I'm going to name it my first GutenBricks block. And you must select GutenBricks block as your template type. This is very important. You must select this type. After publishing it, let's create our first block. Okay, so this is our first GutenBricks template. I copy and paste this template from something called a Bricksy template, and now it's ready to go. So if you go to the page, this is the Gutenberg editor, and you can open the blocks. You can see the blocks is already there, and you can just put in there and it's ready to go. You can add the text and also change the image, and also all the buttons. You can change the contents. All the text is right there. You can just add them and it's ready to go. Through some of the most important user interfaces that you must know when you use GutenBricks. So first thing is that we come to the settings, and under the template settings, there's something called the Gutenberg Block setting. So in which you can actually disable the template editing or add extra fields, and most importantly, you can use different icons to represent the block. And also under the settings, there's something called the Gutenberg metas. This is something I will get back to. We'll come back in another video. But basically, you can set up your custom fields within the GutenBricks block. I mean, you can use ACF and meta box, but if you want to do something simple like a text box or radio button, Gutenberg meta, it could be very handy. Now you come to the elements. Under contents, there's a tab called GutenBricks. This is where you can control how the elements will behave within the Gutenberg editor. For example, you can disable the element editing. You can actually do add some style editor, or you can do add variants, and you can turn it on and off the visibility of the particular elements. So now let's come to here. So this is Gutenberg settings. This is where you control how your bundles will appear on certain post types, and also you can add it client experience. There's some toggles here, some options here, and this is integration tab. This is where we're going to add more integration options as we are integrating GutenBricks with other plugins. So these are the interfaces you must know. You can explore them on your own, but I'll explain them in another videos.